Oshkosh Corporation Company, announced today that the U.S. Army has placed a $106 million order for 416 Joint Light Tactical Vehicles, JLTV, and associated installed and packaged kits. This is the eighth order for JLTVs since the contract was awarded in August 2015. The JLTV program, currently in low-rate initial production, remains a top priority as we continue testing in support of a full-rate production decision in fiscal year 2019, said George Mansfield, Vice President and General Manager of Joint Programs at Oshkosh Defense. Working closely with our government customer, we have completed reliability qualification testing, accumulating over 100,000 miles, and have exceeded reliability requirements. The JLTV is a United States military program to part replace the Humvee with a family of more survivable vehicles with greater payload. The JLTV program was approved in 2006 to begin early studies. The contract award has a value of up to $6.749 billion and calls for a maximum of 16,901 JLTVs, and includes a sustainment element. JLTV manufacturing will be performed in Oshkosh. Charles Hughes said the production contract award would involve more than 300 suppliers in 31 states across the country. Don't forget, if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a like and to share it with your friends.